Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check exactly when someone reads your message on Telegram, using a brand new feature that just landed in 2024. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to see the precise read time of your sent messages, whether you're chatting one-on-one in a group or managing a channel. It's a game changer for anyone who's curious about how quickly their messages get seen or just wants a bit more clarity in their chats. Let's dive right in, starting with private chats or one-on-one conversations. This is probably how most of us use Telegram day to day. First, just send your message like you normally do. Nothing fancy here, type it out, hit send. Now, here's the thing to look out for. Telegram uses those familiar checkmarks to communicate message delivery. If you only see one checkmark next to your message, that means it's been delivered but not read yet. Wait for those double checkmarks. When you see two, that's your sign that the other person has opened the chat and read your message. Now here, where the magic happens, and it's a simple gesture. Just tap and hold or long press on the message that you sent. Imagine you're highlighting a passage in a book. You want to focus in on that specific message. When you do this, a pop-up or info screen appears, and this is what's new. Telegram now shows you the exact time your message was opened by the other user. No more guessing or wondering. Maybe you're waiting for an urgent reply, or you just want to see if someone caught your reminder. Either way, this timestamp tells you everything you need to know. Don't worry if the info screen takes a moment to pop up, especially if your internet is a bit slow or Telegram needs to sync. Now let's talk about Telegram channels and groups, because things work a bit differently there. In channels, you'll notice an eye icon next to the message timestamp. The number next to that eye, that's your total view count, the number of people who have seen your message. It's a great way for channel owners and admins to get a sense of reach, but it doesn't show you exactly who read the message or when. For that kind of detail, you'll usually need Telegram Premium, or you'll want to be sending messages in a group instead. In groups, premium users get a special bonus. When you tap and hold on your sent message, you'll enter the message info screen just like in private chats. Only here you actually see a list of group members who have read the message, along with a timestamp for each person, so you can see, for example, if your last announcement was read right away or if some folks caught up later. Keep in mind those read times are available for up to 7 days. After that, Telegram cleans it up for privacy, so timely checking is key. Speaking of privacy, here's something important to know. Read times in private chats only stick around for 7 days before they're deleted. If you're more privacy conscious, hiding your last seen status might also hide your read time from others. And for Telegram Premium users, you get a little extra control. You can actually hide your own read time while still seeing others if they've shared it. That's it. You now know exactly how to check when your Telegram messages get read in all the different chat types. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. It helps a lot. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've noticed other cool features in Telegram lately. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, up-to-date tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and catch you next time.